Welcome. This video tutorial demonstrates how to manage and update document statuses within the Quick Receipt software. Properly tracking a document's status is a key component of an efficient business workflow. This video will cover two methods for modifying a document's status. The first method involves changing the status from within a specific document. First, navigate to the document list and open the desired document with a double-click. With the document displayed, select the Private tab. The current status is shown here. Click the drop-down menu to reveal the list of available statuses and make your new selection. To finalize the change, you must click the Save button. The new status is now applied. The second method allows for updating single or multiple documents directly from the document list. This is the most efficient way to perform bulk status changes. Begin by selecting one or more documents in the list. To select multiple documents, hold down the Control key or Command on macOS and click on each desired file. Next, right-click on any of the highlighted documents to open the context menu. From this menu, navigate to Change Status and select the new status you wish to apply. The status for all selected documents will update immediately without requiring an additional save step. You have now seen both methods for updating document statuses in Quick Receipt. Regular status management ensures your records remain accurate and your workflow is properly tracked. Thank you for watching.